Decent team arrives at the station, successfully meets the client. On the way to Decent's factory, customers share stories and insights with us. Introduce Decent's production process to customers. Customers record factory footage on video. Feel satisfied with Decent's product quality and service. The customer introduced the local standards and requirements to Decent. In office, introduce Decent's blower projects in depth. Discuss potential collaborations and strategies for achieving mutual success. Arrive station, ending the perfect day. Thank you Myanmar customers to visit Decent Factory. Welcome friends from all countries to Decent Factory.